right? Natural indicators. There are blue, litmus, and red litmus papers. Blue litmus and red litmus papers. It is dry extracted solution from lichen tree. This lichen tree, the division of the plant division of Thalophyte, and red cabbage and turmeric solution, etc. And the red cabbage and the turmeric solution and some flower petals. Flower petals. Hydrangea, petunia, and geranium. Some flower petals, hydrangea, petunia, and geranium are also called indicators. And another one is this natural indicators are another type is all factor indicators. So, what is all factor indicators? There are some substances whose adult changes in acidic and basic media. These are called all factor indicators. All factor indicators. So it is identified with testing of smell. It is identified acids and bases. Examples are all factor indicators. Examples of onion, vanilla essence, and chloride, etc. These are the examples of all factor indicators. So these are called natural indicators. So how many types of disease? One is blue litmus and red litmus papers are there. It is dry extracted from lichen plant, the plant division of Thalophyte. And another one is red cabbage and turmeric solution. Turmeric solutions and this is turmeric powder and the turmeric solution and the China rose. And again some flower petals, that means hydrangea, petunia and geranium are also called indicators. And this type of natural indicators, another one is all factor indicators. That means smell, with testing of smell that indicates acids or bases. So that is, there are some substances whose odor changes in acidic and basic media is called all factor indicators. The examples of onion, vanilla essence and clove oil are the examples of all factor indicators. So indicators, another one is synthetic indicators. synthetic indicators. One is methyl orange. It is methyl orange and phenolphthalein. It is also called laboratory indicators. Methyl orange and phenolphthalein indicators. Second, phenolphthalein. So another one is synthetic indicators are there. One is methyl orange, second one is phenolphthalein indicators. So we testing of these indicators, we testing of acids and bases. First, we take blue litmus papers. It is blue litmus papers. We take first blue litmus paper. We take another bowl, the solution of lemon juice. The solution of lemon juice. We put into the litmus paper, blue litmus paper into the lemon solution. So what do you observe? Any change of the blue litmus paper? It is turns to red color. So that means acids, blue litmus paper turns to red. As the same blue litmus paper, we take another solution is, it is tamarind juice. Tamarind juice. We take blue litmus paper put into the solution. So what is it color? It's changed into blue litmus to red. So that means acids, blue litmus paper turns to red. That statement is acid means acid is sour to taste and blue litmus turns to red. So as this activity we identified, we tested HCl solution, HCl liquid. So it is hydrochloric acid, it is watch glass. We take one drop of HCl solution on the watch glass. We test it, we take blue litmus paper. So it is any color, it is blue to change, converts to red. So that means acids are, we identify blue litmus change into red, it is called, this type of objects are indicates acids. As the blue litmus paper